Sometimes a motorhome comes along and it checks all the right boxes. We're talking bunks, 2 baths, a king bed, seatbelts for 9, sleeping for 8, and a diesel pusher under 40 feet long. I'm Steve Duval from Thor Motor Coach, and this is the 2024 Riviera 39BH. What an absolutely gorgeous RV. This is the Valero decor and the Asheville two-tone cabinets. This is paired up with the light-colored furniture. You are going to love it in here because the 39BH is your rolling resort with a beautiful and spacious living area. The good old dinette is going to be here for you in every seating situation, from dinner to 2 or seatbelts for 4. We also have a wireless charger built in. There are dual child safety tethers and storage underneath, plus this makes into a bed. Need room to stretch out those legs? Then hop onto the sofa. Now, theater seating is an option, but if you need the sleeping space, then go with the sofa as it makes into a bed. There's a great end table here, which is perfect for a drink, a snack, and the remote for grabbing a matinee and the smart TV. With the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, you can set up your own 4G hotspot or tap into nearby Wi-Fi signals. Now you're set to stream your favorite shows. Couple more seats I want to show you where you can lean back and put your legs up. The captain's chair swivel, and look at this, the passenger seat has a footrest. Want to point out right up above, when you need more sleeping, this is the Project 2000 Power Drop-Down Bunk. One of the standout features in the 39BH is right here. This kitchen is amazing. I mean, look at all this counter space. These are solid surface countertops, and this ledge in the back is perfect for your small appliances. Cooking is made easy with the 2-burner electric induction cooktop and the convection microwave. The double bowl sink has a cover for more space, and you'll love the amount of storage the kitchen has to offer. And then you just turn around, we're going to find a pantry. Here's our residential fridge. There's also another closet that makes a great place to hang your jacket and for anything else you enjoy while you're set up at camp. The 39BH is a bunkhouse, and this is perfect for guests, and a lot of campers love to use this space as storage. For those of you staying in the bunks, you are going to enjoy having these tablet holders. It's like your own little retreat. Plus, the bunks are right across from the midship bath. It's all in here, including a lot of counter space around the sink. There's a porcelain foot flush toilet and a fiberglass shower with glass door. We're in the bedroom now, and we find a queen-size tilt-a-view bed. You're going to have storage cabinets up top and all the bedroom storage you would need right across. Look at the size of this closet. There's a TV back here. We also have a washer and dryer. Now, the 39BH has a great rear master bath. From the closet to the medicine cabinet, there is so much storage back here. We also find a porcelain foot flush toilet and an oversized shower with the glass door and skylight. So there's a lot going on in here, right? But it is all easy to use and keep tabs on with Rapid Camp Plus. From the main screen or the mobile app, extend or retract slides, control lights and the climate. Check on your tank levels, the battery levels, and the 100 watts of solar charging. You can get the power going and set the auto gen start and even check in on your Riviera while you are away with the mobile app. Once you're connected, you can control all the features from anywhere in the US, Canada, and Mexico. When you're ready to get behind the wheel and head off to your next destination, so is Riviera. The 39BH is built on a Freightliner XCS straight rail chassis with the Atlas Foundation. The Atlas Foundation, because you always want to travel in luxury and style, is custom built for each floor plan. There are very strict tolerances in place, which is going to give you a stronger square foundation, deliver a smoother ride. You're also going to get more storage, which we'll see when we head outside. Out back is the power plant, the Cummins ISB-XT 6.7-liter engine, kicking out 340 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. All that power gets to the wheels through a 6-speed Allison transmission, and it will make easy work when you are towing on the 10,000-pound hitch. Sometimes getting around the park to your campsite can be a little tight. Not a problem because you have an I-beam front axle with the 55-degree wheel cut. Plus, you have air ride suspension, so you are going to get a smooth ride. The Riviera is a joy to drive thanks to a user-friendly dash. Starting down here, we have our manual air dump, a cup holder because you need a cold drink when you are putting in the miles, right? There's a place to set your phone, then wire it into the charging ports. You have one-touch leveling jacks. Right up here are the controls for the heated mirrors with integrated cameras. The Riviera also features blind spot detection. A couple more buttons you're going to want to take note of: the emergency start switch and the button to toggle the air horn on and off. When the sun sets, you'll appreciate the illuminated switches for the dash fan, the generator start, the docking lights, the nightshade, the cabin lights, even the map lights. Dial in the perfect cabin temp with the HVAC controls, then dial in your favorite station, as this infotainment center has everything you need: Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. So now you can use the RV-specific navigation app you like. The other great feature about this screen is it is also the display for the side view cameras we talked about, and it's the display for your backup camera. Going over the steering wheel controls now, you can take Bluetooth calls with the pad on the right side of the steering wheel. This is also how you set the cruise control. Heading to the left, these buttons are going to toggle through all the features of the OptiView dash. This is all the info and data you could ever want to know about your Riviera. It is very easy to use, it is customizable, and best of all, it helps you keep your eyes on the road. Everything you could want is here, from trip meters, maintenance reminders, tire pressure, how many miles per gallon are you getting? Just a quick look down and you can get all the information you want. Down in this little cubby is a place to hardline your phone into the radio. We also find a large drawer down below, great for sunglasses, maps, even tossing your wallet in there. One more feature I want to point out before we go outside: this slide-out step cover. This way the passenger's feet aren't dangling in midair during the drive. All right, so let's say this Riviera is packed with all your family, all your friends. That's a lot of gear. Well, the occupant and cargo carrying capacity on this particular 39BH is 5,672 pounds. You're also seeing it here in the full body paint called Gentle Breeze. So you want to get set up fast and enjoy your time. That's why the Riviera's 50 amp electric cord is on a power reel. The 39BH can be fully powered by the Onan 6,000 watt diesel generator. Plus, the Riviera comes standard with a 2,000 watt inverter, 100 amp converter, and 4 auxiliary house batteries. Quick check of the wet bay here, and this is real easy to use. This Nautilus system here takes you through everything you could want to do. Just move the switch to do exactly what it is you need to do. Maybe you want to fill that 95 gallons of fresh water, or drain the 40-gallon gray tank and the 35-gallon black tank. Easy to do, so you can get out there and enjoy your time away. Once you're set up, it's time to relax under the power patio awning. There are LED lights underneath. Another cool light is right here. This little light shows off the Thor Motor Coach logo. It is a great way to mark your campsite. So you can see how big these storage bays are. You can fit everything you want inside. And hopefully you pack the grill, because there's an exterior propane connection. Maybe you want to unwind after dinner with a little TV? You can do that, because there's one tucked away right out here. So no matter who you decide to take with you on your trip, the 2024 Riviera 39BH is ready for everyone. When you are ready for more information, visit thormotorcoach.com.